Welcome to Mommy's Garden. Today, my mommy will show you some beautiful petunia flowers which we found when we went to Chocolateville. She will also share with you on how to keep petunias looking full and flowering. Enjoy watching! Of Chocolateville, you can see this tree house. Can you see me? I'm there, making some posts to capture this awesome view. If you happen to visit Thailand, you should consider to include in your list the Chocolateville. You won't regret it.
What is petunia? It is a plant of the nightshade family with brightly colored funnel-shaped flowers. It is a native to tropical America. It has been widely developed as an ornamental hybrid with numerous varieties. Now, how do we keep petunias looking full and flowering? Petunias are tolerant of heat, so you don't have to water them regularly. However, the spreading types of petunias and those in containers require more frequent watering. So we are referring to those that are hybrid. Second tip on how to keep petunias looking full and flowering. Fertilize them monthly with a balanced fertilizer. What does it mean? A fertilizer
sun, that is 6 hours per day. But 8 is preferable for the fullest possible bloom.